Looks like the girlfriend of Ray J, the popular R&B singer Ray J, her name is Princess Love. She allegedly attacked him and beat him to a bloody pulp last Wednesday. According to reports, Ray J told the police that Princess went ballistic before cracking several of his ribs, busting his lip open, and tearing a ligament in his knee. Because she was apparently waiting for him to return to his hotel room from a strip club. Okay? The on and off girlfriend of Kim Kardashian's infamous sex tape partner, Ray J, has been arrested for allegedly beating him to a bloody pulp. TMZ reported that Princess Love attacked her 34-year-old partner last Wednesday morning around 3 a.m. in New Orleans after waiting for him to return to his hotel room from a strip club. Ray J said she cracked his rib, she busted his lip, and she tore a ligament in his knee. Apparently he doesn't know why she jumped him. Okay, it says something in the article that someone staying at the W French Quarter Hotel also apparently heard Princess scream, "I'm going to kill you." A security guard at the complex then saw Ray J bleeding, and the security guard called 911. Now, the police did confirm that Princess was charged with domestic abuse and battery. Okay? Now, she was arrested, but apparently Ray J bailed her, paid her bail, and paid $10,000 for her lawyer. Despite the severity of the reports and recent Instagram photographs, Ray J does not appear to show any sign of injury. His face is not bruised, and his lips are not cut. So I really don't know what's true or not. But apparently, the police report is confirmed to be true. So I don't see any bloody pictures or anything to post. There's just a nice picture of her, Ray J and Princess Love standing next to each other. So I'm going to post this vid, and you can comment and let me know if you know any more on this incident.